I've done over $25 million between Black Friday and Cyber Monday over the years. Every year, it's a really big time for our brands, especially since I have a toy brand. And what I've noticed is that Amazon has changed the way that they structure these deals and funnel their traffic throughout the years. So what I want to do is walk you through the best way to structure your own products and position your products to get the most amount of traffic on these deal days. If you stick around to the end, I've got a special offer for you for a free masterclass as well. If you see this page here, the first thing that you're going to see is that there's a big call to action. So it's Cyber Monday today. They've got up to 40% off Cyber Monday deals. You'll see that this button here is Cyber Monday deals. Now, this looks like a normal search page otherwise, but on mobile, it's very different. And I'm gonna flash some of these mobile screens up for you so you can see how prominent these buttons actually are. And most shoppers are on mobile now. So what does this mean for you? If you're not running a Cyber Monday deal, like one of these badges, you're not going to get featured once someone clicks into a Cyber Monday deal. Why is that? It's because once you actually search for something, so let me search for workout benches. Once someone clicks into a deal, they're only going to start seeing Cyber Monday deals. You end up in a funnel where you will no longer be visible. And the majority of shoppers are going to end up finding their way into these landing pages and into these curated results. So how do you structure a Cyber Monday deal or a Black Friday deal so that you can get that badge and make sure you show up? Well, there's a specific way you have to apply for it, but more importantly, you don't want to give away all your profits as well. So I think that the consensus among large sellers like myself is that what we've started to do is make sure that our price going over the last 30 days is a little bit higher. And what we're doing to bring that price down so that we don't lose all of our sales in the 30 days leading up to these sales is that we use a bigger coupon. Because what happens is you have to discount at least a percentage below your lowest 30-day selling price. So let's say that I've been selling the product for $20 and I need a 20% discount below that. That is the price I have to do the deal at, which is $16. Now, let's say that I've had the price at $22.97 and I've been running a 15% coupon. That means I'm still selling the product for around $19 and change, and I have that coupon on. But now the 20% below that $23 is much higher than $16, so that I can still run that 20% off and get that badge, but my effective selling price is not much lower than it was with the coupon, so that I can maximize my profits on these days and I don't have to give away all my profits. Now, your cost per click might be a little bit higher on days like this, but your conversion rate is much higher. So your overall tacos, as we call it, should be lower than it normally is, but your selling price is lower too, so your margin is compressed a little bit. So you have to use these types of tricks. Now, if you don't run a deal at all, you can still see a small bump because a percentage of shoppers will not find their way into these funnels, and you can still get some additional traffic if you have good organic results. But just be aware that you're not going to get the same bump that you used to get. So that's my tip for you guys. It's to figure out how to keep your lowest price in Amazon's eyes higher by using coupons and lightning deals versus using just a lower price on the website, so that when it does come to big days like this, you can just turn on the deal and your effective selling price is not significantly lower than what you were selling at. Now, that's a trick as a consumer you need to be aware of as well, because a lot of people are saying, hey, it's 30% off the normal price, but really the normal price it might be a 5 or 10% savings, if anything. So just be aware that that's the trick that everyone's doing, and you should probably be doing something similar so that you're not giving away all your profits and your margins. Now, like I said, there is a free masterclass. I'm going to be answering questions and doing some live classes where you can ask me questions. Just fill out the form below, and I'll see you in the live class. Take care.